Is crepey skin on your neck making you look older? Stop wasting money on expensive creams that never truly work. Today you will learn the ancient 3-step herbal compression. This traditional ritual forces deep hydration into your dermal fibers. Scientific studies from PubMed show heat activation boosts herbal potency. See a visible difference in your skin texture in 7 days. Stick around to dismantle skin breakdown and restore lost elasticity. If you love natural healing, please subscribe to Wellness Path Podcast. Most people think creams fix wrinkles, but they actually fail. Let's look at the real reason your neck ages so fast. The skin on your neck is thinner than your face. It lacks the oil glands needed for constant natural repair. This delicate area loses its structural elasticity much faster than others. Modern habits like tech neck are causing premature fiber breakdown in 2026. Looking down at screens creates deep folds in the dermal layers. Harvard Health studies confirm that repetitive motion weakens skin support systems. These structural fibers eventually snap without proper moisture and nutrient support. Most moisturizers only sit on the surface and never reach deep. They fail to address the actual damage occurring within the skin. Did you know your neck skin is as thin as paper? This is why standard skincare routines often yield very disappointing results. We must use botanical compression to drive nutrients into these zones. Gotu Kola is a powerful herb known for boosting collagen synthesis. Research from the NIH highlights its ability to thicken the skin. Stinging nettle works alongside it to reduce inflammation and tighten texture. Together, these herbs create a biological reset for your aging neck. The secret lies in how we activate these specific plant compounds. Proper heat application allows the skin to absorb these vital minerals. Without thermal energy, the herbs cannot penetrate the tough thermal barrier. We are moving away from simple lotions toward deep cellular healing. This 3-step ritual targets the root cause of stubborn crepey texture. But wait until you see why expensive creams often fail you. Expensive formulas lack the delivery system needed for deep tissue repair. Let's prepare the powerful herbal mixture for the next vital phase. Start by sourcing fresh and potent Gotu Kola and Nettle leaves. High bioavailability is essential for the success of this ancient ritual. Grind the herbs into a fine paste to release active enzymes. Place the mixture into a glass bowl over simmering hot water. We use controlled thermal energy to unlock the most potent compounds. Heat acts as a key that opens your skin's cellular doors. Dampen a strip of organic linen with warm, purified spring water. Linen is superior because it holds heat longer than synthetic fabrics. The warmth ensures the botanical infusion stays active during the process. Imagine your skin drinking a glass of pure herbal energy now. This thermal activation is the bridge between nature and your cells. Carefully apply the warm herbal paste from collarbone to the jawline. Layer the damp linen over the herbs to create a seal. This creates a vacuum-like effect that forces hydration into the epidermis. Add 3 drops of pure rosehip oil to the herbal paste. This timing hack doubles the absorption rate of the nettle nutrients. The oil acts as a carrier for the deeper dermal layers. Monitor the compress for 15 minutes to allow full nutrient penetration. You will feel a gentle tightening as the skin absorbs minerals. This process is far more effective than any store-bought neck mask. Traditional methods rely on physics and biology to restore your firmness. Modern science is finally catching up to these ancient healing truths. But how do you ensure these results last for the long term? Let's look at the final step to lock in this hydration. Remove the warm linen wrap gently after the full 15 minutes. Rinse your neck with lukewarm water to clear any herbal residue. You should notice an immediate softness and a visible hydration boost. The compression has forced moisture into the deep structural dermal fibers. Now you must apply a natural sealant to lock everything in. Pure jojoba oil or shea butter works best for this final step. These natural fats mimic your skin's own sebum for perfect protection. Pub research suggests that occlusive layers prevent transepidermal water loss effectively. Check your reflection now to see the new, healthy glow. Repeat this ancient compression ritual at least once every single week. Consistency is the only way to prevent future collagen fiber breakdown. Adjust your daily posture to avoid the damaging effects of neck. Keep your chin parallel to the floor while using your phone. Small lifestyle changes complement the herbal treatment for permanent texture improvement. Your neck deserves the same care and attention as your face. By dismantling the breakdown of fibers, you reclaim your youthful appearance. This biological reset proves that nature holds the best anti-aging secrets. Avoid harsh chemical peels that can further thin your delicate skin. Stick to time-tested botanical methods for safe and long-lasting results. You now have the tools to reverse crepiness from your home. Share your progress in the comments to inspire our growing community. Your journey to smooth skin starts with this simple 3-step ritual. Stay healthy and keep following the path to natural wellness daily. If you enjoyed this ancient ritual, please like and subscribe. Check out our other videos for more natural healing secrets. Apply these steps today to see your skin's transformation begin. Thank you for watching Wellness Path Podcast. Stay healthy always.